Uwalambire okubombera pali free education Kitebe Mabumba. Uwaletere principal free education Kitebe Mabumba. Ama school fees twasangire pali 2,000 kwacha. Bayitisha ba Mabumba basa pali 200 kwacha. Aba nensu bayisire fulako 200. Tanzania free education ilepo kanya. Obuputano felibumo Mongo kwekise Obuputano felibunga Nibumo is for the free and quality education.
Yeah, but mdala wandiwe Mundubile alechula. Yeah, na voice ukuyo muntu voice ile ya ale kokoma na mufufu ale kokoma ale ambu kokoma kwati ni mwankole ikosa politics te avada campaign yani kava na ka voice nakaya mlando kwati ale chula awu mundu ale chula ale kulukuta kwati lifupa ukwafya ta pange manifesto, you know, ni manifesto on the go. Aba Mundubile manifesto on the go nga bayiminya pa stage hero bale panga manifesto tabakwete manifesto yabo buno bwino tabayikere balira bakotwalisa abemya uko bati ba Mundubile kuti mwa ba president twamba no kuba campaign na no mbere twale ba campaign na tatwaikere panshu ko batupange manifesto tatwaikere panshu ko batupange manifesto ero na imomo mwabera mwe bantu pantu twalisa abemye shina na imo mwabatola after balungu chabana shancha mwabatola uyu wino uyu but manifesto inshamu pere Mundubile tatwaikere pamo kwa turembe manifesto and NIDF no lulumbira twaishire panga pa social media ero manalo manifesto takuji ba Mundubile tabakwata manifesto ngamwatimulo shoko batampire where he started and what he's saying now. You can see that he's actually developing the manifesto as he goes. But if free education vareranda ba Mundubile, if free education vareranda baebat iliyo baishire basangire free education ili pali 2 pin 2000 kwacha mu 2011 ero ili bale fumapo basangire baishire pali 200 kwacha nomba mweba ntunga muleyibukisha iliyo ba PF bayishire mu power twalela indala mu million nama hundreds of thousands shana yuko but bali chitari base muleyibukisha twali chitari base bali chitari base so iyo tu pin alela ndapo Mundubile ukweba ati yali pali 2 pin twaisha pa 200. It is because of the rebase of the PF they rebased the kwacha efo yabo erere kuli 200 tekweba ati bali fumi bali chitire ntwanikane bali fumishe kuindalama bali fumishe ku 1800 they rebased the kwacha ero yashala 200 kwacha. So Mundubile cannot talk about bali fumishe free education problem akwete ale panga manifesto on the go. I don't go to panga manifesto on the go. You cannot counter check what you are saying. So kula landa fefinto holo. He's saying no. Ero ifo bupusano bulipo. It will be free education and the quality education. What do you mean, Mundubile? What do you mean? If you look at the statistics of our Navale Pasa, especially if you follow just the last 2 years, we have seen the increment in numbers of people who are passing. In all examination classes, since the UPND came into power, the pass rate has gone higher. So when you are even criticizing to say, take free education, you should ask yourself, ngabana bale pasa shani? Because what is your support when you are saying no, there is no free education? You must back it up with some figures. And I'm challenging any one of you, go and check the pass rate. The pass rate has increased since by UPND came into power. It has increased. So even when you are saying, no, talk about free education, look at the pass rate. The pass rate in Sri Lanka, look at the how many people are passing. Pass rate, meaning the total number of people that have sat for the exams and how many have passed. The pass rate has increased. So if you musabaira, Wafia, Mundubile. Mundubile, that's why I'm telling you that Mundubile, take a nyak of you. You are not yet ready. How Mundubile is not ready in them here. Mundubile is not ready. Tu sais tupike pona marukula. Tu sais tupike pona confusion iliko. Tetiba take chalo ndemie. Tetiba take chalo. Mulekeni faka inde ichilema akonka nyepo. Otherwise tetifiwombe. Anyway, see you soon. Bye for now.